My name is Bear Grylls, and I'm looking for a fresh water in a wilderness like this. With me, there is with me my grandfather and my stupid brother, and we are looking for fresh water. We're in the middle village of Dragulici, and I will show you some of the technique surviving in this wilderness. Look, this is my brother. He's coming in looking for a fresh water. My name is Bear Grylls, and I told you that. Are you looking for some fresh water?
On neće vodnu djecu da živi. Ako si čupaj svinja, a on nema šanse, nek smijeri, boli me kura. Ja znam.
Have you heard that?
Ja dodam moram diskusiju.
That is so terrible. My grandfather will not alive this winter. This is so terrible. Oh my goodness. To be continued.